Welcome to Custom Mobile Solutions with Filemaker. Before we get into the specifics of building solutions in Filemaker, I'd like to give you a quick overview of Filemaker, the company. Filemaker is a wholly owned Apple subsidiary, and Filemaker's sole focus is enabling businesses to create their own custom solutions. Filemaker has a great deal of experience in this area. In fact, this year marks the 30th anniversary of the Filemaker platform. To date, over 20 million copies of Filemaker software have shipped to organizations all around the world. Filemaker solutions run cross-platform on Windows and Mac, on web browsers, and on iOS devices. Filemaker has seen great success on iOS, with over 1.5 million downloads of the Filemaker Go client for the iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. Now let's see how Filemaker will help your company. To run your business, you have goals to meet. To accomplish those goals, there are specific tasks you and your team must do. Tasks might include project tracking, customer management, inventory, and many other tasks. Of course, you are doing these tasks today, but do you have the efficiency you need? Is everyone on your team spending their time in productive activities working towards achieving goals? We have found that too often, teams end up spending time and effort in unproductive, inefficient activities that make it difficult to reach their goals. Many organizations operate using paper forms, different types of files and formats, spreadsheets, and applications that don't talk to each other. In fact, according to one survey done by the Finality Group, employees at small and medium-sized businesses spend 50% of their workday engaged in unproductive but necessary activities. So, how does operating this way cause productivity drains on your team? Customers tell us they face 3 challenges. One challenge we hear frequently is scattered information. Information is literally everywhere, in multiple applications, in notebooks, in spreadsheets, on someone's iPad. You get the picture. Teams spend time and energy trying to find the information they need. According to the Paperless Project, managers spend an average of 4 weeks a year searching for or waiting on information that is misfiled, mislabeled, or just missing. That is like taking 1 month out of the calendar and throwing it away. Another challenge is inefficient or ad hoc processes. Some workflows can be extremely time-consuming, while others can be very error-prone. The LinkedIn Records Management Professionals Group reports that 67% of data loss is directly related to user blunders. This means that user blunders are 30 times more menacing than viruses when it comes to data loss. A third common challenge is rigid technology. We would hope that technology could help overcome some of the problems we have mentioned, but business organizations often have a difficult time finding technology that fits their needs just right. What are some of the technology options organizations can consider? On one hand, we have App Store apps and off-the-shelf applications. These are easy to find and quick to install, but they may not meet all of a business's needs, and they can be hard to customize. On the other end of the spectrum, we have traditional programming tools. Many companies hire programmers to create custom applications. They can create exactly what they want, but this process takes time and money, and maintaining the solution can be expensive. With both off-the-shelf apps and traditional programming, there is the challenge of supporting multiple platforms and devices. Filemaker is an excellent option that makes it easy to create custom solutions that cost-effectively bring together all needed information, quickly streamline business processes, and can be easily updated and deployed across different platforms and devices. This can be done quickly and efficiently without the need for specialized programming skills. The FileMaker platform is a full line of products that gives you all the tools you need to create and share custom business solutions that can go anywhere your business may take you. Create your solutions with FileMaker Pro or FileMaker Pro Advanced. This is also how you run your solutions on Mac and Windows, and how you can share solutions with very small teams. For teams of 5 or more people, use FileMaker Server to share solutions. To run your solutions on iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch, use the free FileMaker Go app available from the App Store. To access your solution via a web browser, use Filemaker Webdirect, which is available as part of FileMaker Server. FileMaker helps you create solutions that are customized to your business, so it can be used to manage any kind of process in an organization of any size or type. In order to demonstrate FileMaker today, we'll pretend that we are a commercial landscape company. Let's build a solution that solves common business challenges. Currently, we have scattered information. We use a spreadsheet to view and edit customer information. When the spreadsheet is updated by someone, we lose track of which version is the most current. We use another spreadsheet that contains information on all the work done for our customers. If we want to figure out new opportunities for a particular customer, it's difficult and time-consuming. We also have worksite photos and customer contracts. We have an ad hoc process and multiple devices. Our team visits customers face-to-face. The information we need is in different formats and applications, making it difficult to find the information quickly. Office staff doesn't have visibility into details from the field. Our manual processes cause loss of new business opportunities and loss of time. We'll take all of the information we have and bring it all together in a solution that aligns with business needs and is shared between a team of office staff and mobile employees. Our outcome today will solve our issues through a custom iPad solution for our business. Let's start with the customer spreadsheet. Currently, sharing the information and finding what we need is difficult. Let me show you how easy it is to transform this spreadsheet into a FileMaker solution that can be shared and edited by the whole team, whether they are using iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, Mac, Windows, or the web. If you already have data in a format such as an Excel spreadsheet, one easy way to get started with FileMaker is to drag and drop the Excel file onto the FileMaker icon. This action will create a new FileMaker file that will include all of the data from the spreadsheet. But first, FileMaker asks a few questions. FileMaker lets you use the headers of the spreadsheet columns to name the fields of your custom solution. We will select field names. We'll name the file Customers and save it to the desktop. FileMaker automatically creates two layouts, which are different ways to view the information. This layout, layout number 2, is a spreadsheet-like table view. This layout, layout number 1, is a form view, showing one record at a time. We will build more attractive ways to view the information in a minute, but let's share this solution first. From the Share button in the Status toolbar, we have two options. One way to share a file is to upload the file to FileMaker Server, which allows us to support larger groups of users. Our second option is called Client Sharing, for quick sharing between people at the same location and on the same Wi-Fi network. We'll use this option. From here, we make sure that sharing is turned on from this copy of FileMaker, and we will share this file with all users. And just like that, our sharing is ready. Now, let's run the new solution on iPad using FileMaker Go. From the panel on the bottom, we select Hosts. We search for our local hosts on the Wi-Fi network and choose the host we are looking for. We see that FileMaker Go already recognizes that a solution is being shared on our Wi-Fi network. We select the file Customers, and now we have a live connection to the solution that is living on our computer. Let's stop and think about what just happened. I really have only done two things. I converted a spreadsheet to FileMaker, and I shared it. We now have a custom iOS solution that didn't exist a few minutes ago. One of the major benefits of FileMaker sharing is that everyone sees the most up-to-date information. If we make a change on our iPad, the change will show automatically wherever the solution is being used. As you just saw, automatic updates occur no matter where the change to the information is made. In just minutes, we provided our team access to our customer information from a computer or iPad. Any changes made are seen everywhere immediately. Our information is no longer scattered and unreliable. Having one version of up-to-date customer information will save us from making mistakes, and it will also save us time. Now that we have customer information available on the iPad, let's build a solution customized to our field salespeople. Since it will be used on the iPad, we will build it to look and operate like an iOS app. In addition, it will integrate all the documents a salesperson needs when visiting customers, such as pictures and contracts. To do that, I'll create a new layout built for iPad. In Layout mode, we will create a new interface. We'll call this new layout Customers iPad and design it with iPad users specifically in mind. It's easy to build nice-looking solutions for any device using FileMaker's design tools. We'll make this layout a form view so we can see one record at a time. As soon as we open the new layout, we can see this solution being created live on our device. FileMaker uses fields to store information. To add fields to our layout, we will select them from the field picker, then drag and drop them wherever we want. We'll add the customer name, Manager, Email, and Office Phone. Fields allow us to manage most types of information, including text, numbers, and dates. Also, you can create new fields to hold images, documents, videos, and other items. It would be helpful to have a picture of the customer's location. Let's create a new photo field and place it on the layout. To give our layout a consistent branded appearance, we can insert objects such as a company logo and headers. We can drag and drop the logo from our files. We'll add a header, noting that this layout includes customer information. Just by tapping into the photo field on our iPad, we get many options. We can use the camera to take a picture or record a video. We can use the microphone to record audio. We can use the camera to scan a barcode, and we can use the touch screen to capture a signature. Additionally, we have options to import photos, music, and other files that are already stored on our iPad. When we place a FileMaker file into this field, notice that the file is instantly available on our computer. Any changes made on iPad are shared instantly with anyone accessing the same solution, whether they are using a computer in the office or using a device at a customer's location. Let's fill out the right side of our layout. When space is limited, tabs help us to recycle the space and organize different types of information. We can create tabs by choosing the tab control in the toolbar, then dragging out the area where the tabs will be. Let's create two tabs, one for contact information and another for contract information. We will add some relevant fields to the Contact tab. Let's add address, city, state, and zip. Let's create some fields to add to the Contract tab, such as a contract field to hold the actual contract for this customer, a field for a signature, and a field to record the date signed. Using FileMaker Pro, we can add a client's contract to their record simply by dragging the PDF into the contract field. This allows us to instantly view the PDF using the iPad. We can also add the photo for this customer and view it on the iPad. Let's add a signature and the date using the iPad. With all of our essential business information in FileMaker and an attractive and intuitive iPad layout, we can take it to any location. With contracts on our iPads, we can immediately answer questions accurately rather than having to get back to the customer later. We will be able to get customers' approval signatures on the spot. The solution now fits our business process and aligns with our business needs. Overall, our business will be more efficient and provide better service to customers. During the past few minutes, I converted a spreadsheet to a FileMaker Pro file, connected customer contracts and photos, and built a new interface. This custom solution gives our business an accurate 360-degree view of each customer's details. It is shared with the main office and with salespeople using iPads, so the team can access important data anywhere. With maybe 30 minutes to an hour of additional time, we could create an even more comprehensive solution. Let's share this solution and connect to it using the iPad. This solution has a slide control to show multiple photos, we've saved a video and we can view it with playback controls. We have more tabs. We have a calculation of total hours of work done, and we have a popover that allows us to add new work. One of the tabs has an interactive map to help us get driving directions from within FileMaker. We can create charts and reports to inform managers about business status or to tell customers about the progress of a current project. These charts can be converted into PDFs and emailed from iPad. It's easy to see just how quickly we created a solution to overcome our business challenges. In just a few minutes, we built an iPad solution that accomplished 3 goals. We took scattered information and brought it all together into one place where photos, data, and documents are connected and available where we are and when we need them. We took an inefficient process of managing customer details and built a solution that aligns to business needs for both office and mobile staff. Instead of having to adapt to different apps and software, we built a single solution customized to our business that provides information instantly to all staff, regardless of the device they are using. The solution we built is relevant for everyone in the organization. Staff in the field can find and capture the customer information they need. Office staff get instant access to new customer information, including approved contracts from the field. Managers can see relevant reports. Overall, the organization has become more efficient, and we are seeing immediate benefits for our company. Now, our whole team can collaborate efficiently to generate insights that will allow us to take appropriate actions to achieve our goals in a logical, more efficient manner. Your subject matter expertise is your competitive advantage. With FileMaker, you can build something that is customized to your business instead of compromising your process to fit a pre-packaged application. A great way to get more familiar with FileMaker is to start with one of the 16 ready-to-use starter solutions for common business tasks. These are professionally designed solutions that can be quickly modified to fit the needs of your business. Every copy of FileMaker Pro and FileMaker Pro Advanced includes all 16 starter solutions, and every download of FileMaker Go includes a limited selection of starter solutions. FileMaker is more than technology. It is a complete ecosystem that gives you the training, support, consulting, and tools you need to build your own solutions. Right away, you can benefit by joining the free developer program. This program gives you access to free downloadable resources and connects you with over 50,000 other members. Training options run from basic self-paced training to advanced classroom offerings and everything in between. Worldwide technical support is also available for your benefit. If you want some help, there are over 1,200 firms worldwide that focus on FileMaker consulting. They can help you with any project, big or small. And you can help yourself by visiting the Made for FileMaker area of the filemaker.com website, where you'll find hundreds of tools, utilities, and integrations for purchase. To start using FileMaker today, visit filemaker.com on your computer to download a free trial of FileMaker Pro, and visit the App Store on your iOS device to download FileMaker Go.